and Deanna from Deny, and welcome to the train station. Hey!
I wondered where he was going with that.
Yeah, with the train station. We're just getting a train to London. We're going to London for one night, doing some Merlin attractions. So why not come along with us and enjoy the ride? Choo choo! And there's Deanna over there. They always put bridges at train stations. I don't know why. There's always a bridge.
Leeds via Sheffield.
Oh, is that one Leeds? Northern Rail, not ours.
Choo-choo!
Coat on, sun's out, hat on my head, and it's warm. My God. Train just over there. That's not our train. I don't know. We're going to Peterborough in the change for the Lner. Got reserved seats. It's very quiet today. It's Thursday. Heading to London, like I says, for just one night, doing some Merlin attractions. We've got Madame Two Swords. We've got the London Eye tonight. Tomorrow we've got Sea Life and Shrek Adventure. So we're going to get use of our Merlin pass. Why not? And you're going to come with us. Even better. Yeah.
No, does it look like it? Do you think it has an invisibility cloak on?
She said this a minute ago and I had to put it on the video because it's quite funny. Deanna's had her nails done. What you had done there?
Hearts for Valentine's Day.
Black hearts.
Black like my soul.
She's having a moment. I don't know.
They're not a bit I haven't done,
but I'm not going to Disney.
No, we're not going to Disney, are we? No. Got a table. Food. Do you think she's excited? Where are we going first?
King's Cross Station.
King's Cross Station. Actually, we're going to Peterborough.
Okay, Peterborough. Then King's Cross Station. Then Five Guys. Then Madame Two Swords.
Hopefully Krispy Kremes will give out vouchers. Get a free donut. And then where? Aye. Oh, you're going aye. I was going to get on the tube actually and then walk across the bridge. Child. Like a child. Doors closed.
This is the train to Peterborough, calling at Metheringham.
What? Meadowhall?
Metheringham,
Metheringham,
Sleaford, Spalding, and Peterborough. Here we go. Bye, Lincoln. Nice and sunny Lincoln.
Both got heavy backpacks. Backpack. But now Gianna's seemed to have opened her Percy Pigs to make her bag lighter.
Got 30 on them.
What?
30.
30. Oh yeah.
Celebrating 30 years.
Marks and Sparks. It's only £1. Cheapskates, aren't we?
Well,
I said there's already £1. Cheapskates, aren't we?
you are.
So my bag will still be heavy. Train's already in. Look at that. Oh no, that's the 11:50. That's not ours then. That's not ours. But it's Coach K though, so we're in good location. We're on the 12:11. Deep concentration, Diana. Look. Where are we? She doesn't know where we are. Peterborough. Too busy watching Peterborough. Yeah, that's true. About an hour. Just waiting for our Lner. Instagram. Just got a seat. Happy days.
Happy day.
It's always best to walk without any R. About an hour?
Yeah.
About an hour
Around this one.
before we get to King's Cross. So we'll see you there.
Best thing about Lner is it has sockets for your phone.
Oh yeah, yes. Plug sockets. Comes off the table. And apparently
Put your laptop on.
an extender. Pardon you.
داود الحين ينزل على كيف اوكي وجو الحين امسك بيدك اوفي ماما حبيبي من تبي يا ماما.
Welcome to London's King's Cross. Diana's just been the baggage handler, helping a lady get her bags off the train. We're just going to go and get the tube now. And then get a bite to eat at Five Guys. So with the Victoria line and then I think it's the Northern line. We'll see there when we get there. It's arrived. What we got? Go. Fries to share. Number 2. Number 2's mine. Happy bells. What we got in the bag? Well, I know what it is, but do you guys know what it is? Oh, look at that crispy. BLT. Leanna's got
Grilled veggie sandwich with cheese. Lots of vegetables with cheese melted on top. Got peppers, mushrooms, something else.
onions. Oh, I've just been and got me 3 crispy crabs. Good choice. What we got, Leanna? It's going to say show me now.
Can't get in it.
Oh, she can't get in it.
Oh, basically I got
So we had one of them.
raspberry chocolate cake, berry burst.
Very burst.
You had a chocolate
One
cake.
of them, yeah. We'll show you when we get. We'll show you when we get to the hotel anyway. Nice. That's what you do when you collect your reward points.
Yum.
Thank you. Take care.